Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make gum paste or sugar paste. This sugar paste is perfect for making sugar flowers, so I want to use this opportunity to say hi to my new subscribers. Welcome to this channel. This is where you learn everything about cake and troubleshoot your cake related issues. You can check my other videos. I'm going to start by showing you my ingredients: my tylose, my gelatin, water, my glucose. I turn it upside down, it doesn't pour out. Extra icing sugar, my shortening. The recipe would be in the description box below. I'm going to start by pouring in my water into my cup. Then I'm going to add in my glucose. Please note that before scraping out this glucose, I had to dip my silicone spatula into water. This is to prevent it from sticking together. I'm just going to add it into the water that I just poured into the cup. This can be very sticky and complicated, but trust me, after doing it only gets better. Now I'm going to add in my gelatin. After adding in the gelatin, I'm just going to wiggle it a little for the dry ones to mix into the water, and after some time it solidifies. Then I'm going to put it in a pot of hot water, but you can do this over the stove, as in while the pot is still on the stove. But for the purpose of this video, I had to move the pot to the table to show you what I'm actually talking about. So I'm going to try as much as possible to dissolve everything. Now I'm going to add my tylose into my icing sugar. Now I'm also going to add my shortening into the mixture and let it dissolve properly. An alternative for tylose is CMC powder. Tylose is stronger than CMC powder, but if you have CMC powder, you can as well use CMC powder too. After pouring the mixture into the dry ingredients, then I'm going to stir everything together, as in I'm going to mix all the icing sugar together. I'm going to do this until it incorporates totally. This is where the extra icing sugar comes in handy, because I'm going to knead all of it into the mixture. As you can see, the mixture looks quite watery at the moment, but trust me, it would come together and be perfect like a proper gum paste. Now I'm going to start kneading the gum paste, and I'm going to incorporate all the icing sugar into the gum paste. By the time I am done incorporating the extra 1 cup into this gum paste, you would see that the color will be totally white and it will be pliable. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to click or hit the subscribe button. Check out the description box below and follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share to somebody who needs it. This gum paste is very flexible because of the tylose. You can see how flexible it is. It just pulls so easily. And this is perfect for making flowers. See those flowers that looks like glass? Yeah, you can use it for it. So now I'm done kneading in all the icing sugar. Then I rubbed some shortening on the table and I used it to knead the paste. This is what it looks like. You can use this to make flour. You can use it for your molding purpose, topper, your barnies, and your whatever you're molding, PJ Masks and stuff like that. So I'm going to apply more shortening to the paste. Then I'm going to tie it in a plastic bag or nylon or leather, depending on where you are. This is how I store it actually. Then I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, release all the air out, then lock it. Please note that you can store this for a very long time, for up to 3 months in the fridge, up to 6 months in the freezer. Please, if you add color to this, they shorter the lifespan. So if you want it to last for long, you leave it white. So when you need it, you bring it out to thaw, then you knead it to the proper consistency. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Keep spreading love.